Hello, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. Coleslaw. We're going to make coleslaw today. Nice and chunky. Nice, I don't like it really kind of grated small like that kind of horrible KFC or fast food stuff. It's crunchy, it's beautiful. I've got some dried fruit in there. I've also got a bit of apple in there. Give it a go. This is delicious. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got some white cabbage, shredded that, carrot grated, a little bit of onion. You can really play around with the amounts of these. You can add more onion, more carrot, up to you. Mayonnaise, a little bit of lemon juice, an apple, some dried sultanas or raisins, that's up to you. Nice little bit of fruit in there. It's very simple. Salt, pepper, mix it together. We're done. Okay, could not be easier. Mixing bowl. Cabbage is in. Onion, sultanas or raisins, up to you. That apple works beautiful in there. The carrot, little bit of lemon juice. Then we're going to go black pepper, salt, and like I say, you can really play around with the amounts of everything here. And then we're going to drop in some mayo, and again, I don't really like it swimming in mayo. I like a nice kind of little glaze. Some people would put sugar in their coleslaw. I think that's a no-no. I like it nice and chunky as well. I don't want that kind of KFC kind of shredded, horrible sweet nonsense. Let's give that a mix. Okay, there you go, job done. I just put a little bit of chili powder on the top, a little bit of decoration, a little bit of spice. Now, like I say, play around with the amounts. Get more cabbage in, more onion, more carrot. That's up to you. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.